Hi and welcome to Scnet. Today I'm going to show you how to change your hard drive and your RAM. So first, unscrew all of these screws here. Next step, to unplug the power, like that. There's two screws here holding your hard drive in place. And do not lose any of your screws. And this is your safety cable. So now you have to take this plastic thing off to put on your new hard drive. So you remove this plastic thing and put it on your new hard drive, and you also take these little screws here back to your new drive. So the screws here, they're Torx T6. So now we should put everything back together again. So now I'm gonna show you how to replace your RAM. There's two tabs right here, and it will swing open. And you unplug your RAM. And to unplug the other one, you press the tabs there. So it will click up. And get your RAMs out. And to put them in, you just slide them in here and click down. Like that. So don't forget to put your power back on. Like that. And then screwing back your panel. The long screws should be here, and then the small ones here. So that's it.